guys, and welcome to my channel Inspired Birdie for another week of Plan With Me for the Happy Planner. So today is going to be a little bit different and a very short video because this is the one that you would have seen from last week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. By the way, it is one of my absolute favorite spreads, especially this really beautiful rainbow. Absolutely love how it turned out. But I completely lost all of the footage for this week's Plan With Me, so I apologize, guys. And I was really excited about it as well, but it is lost. So I'm going to show you guys the layout. Hopefully it'll inspire you with some ideas, but I won't be able to do a full Plan With Me video. So this week I did a Tinkerbell theme, and I've done Tinkerbell in the past, so you can check out the video that I've done before, but I wanted to do a punk Tinkerbell is what I call it. So more of a fun, I just find it like very fun and teenage-like, and I don't know, I love the colors, and I had so much fun doing this spread, and I'm really sad that I lost the video, but I'm going to take you guys through the art and the different items that I used to put it together. So I'm going to start over here. The washi that I ended up using is this really pretty, right here, this really pretty star type washi. I've had it for a while, and I honestly can't remember. I either got it from the Dollar Tree or I got it from AliExpress. I think I got it from the Dollar Tree. And I love using this for really fun layouts, so I thought that would be perfect for this layout. And then of course I have this featured Tinkerbell that I was able to find on Google Images, and she had that punk teenage look to her, which is what inspired me to do this layout. This washi here is just like a sparkle purple, which is from the dollar store. And that's all the washi that I used. Didn't use any other colors, just the purple and the star. All of the images are from Google Images. So these here were different graffitis that I found online. So it was like one big graffiti, and I just cut them up using paint so that I can use that as my cardstock. I didn't print it on cardstock. I do print on regular printer paper, but that's the paper that I wanted to use to decorate my planner. So I used these two, and then I have another one here as well. And then moving over here, I used two in this part as well. And then I found these splattered paint pictures on Google Images I thought were a lot of fun. So I used one splatter pink here, and then one splatter pink here as well. And I made an error, guys. I did use another washi right here. This is my super thin washi that I recently got from Michael's. I got a really good deal. It was $2.99 for a pack, and it had like every color in the pack. So I did use that as well. And then all of these little pictures are from Google Images. So like street life, this little Tinkerbell here with the guitar. Look how fun that is. This here, crazy. And then what I did is I took some of these graffiti pictures and I pasted them into paint, and then I just cut out the center and typed note so that I would have my own little note section. So I made these in paint, and same with these here. I just took a picture off of Google Images and put them, actually no, I didn't put these in paint. I just printed them smaller and I wrote out to do, and I did another one over here that says note. Super happy with how this theme turned out. Like I said, one of my favorites. I just love things that have tons of color to it, and I'm really sorry that I don't have the video to show you guys the full process, but go ahead and check out maybe one of my other videos if you're looking to be inspired, or if you just like watching a video while you do your own plan. Like weekly planning. That's what I like to do. I just love watching videos while I'm planning out my own week, and it just inspires me, and I feel like I'm planning along with somebody. So if that's what you like doing, just go and pull up one of my other videos. I'll feature some throughout here, so there'll be some popping up for you in the upper right hand corner that you can check out if you haven't seen those, and I'll post them at the end as well if you're looking for some videos. All right, guys, again, sorry, but you know what, join me next Sunday. I'll definitely have a video for you. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, everybody, and for following me. So love and peace to you all. Bye.